is here.
Go look under the tree. Go look under the tree. Go.
My tree. Mice. Mice. It says got to get green fences.
Look at all those presents.
Mice. It's my toys.
Is it your toys?
Yes, see?
Oh,
It's toys. Look, Mama.
yeah.
Little toys. Ooh, big one.
Who's that from?
It's the toys. Oh, don't open it. Oh, don't open it. Look.
I see. Get over there. Look at him, buddy.
Here, look. Who's this from?
That's the toys.
Toy.
Yes.
That's from Thomas the Elf.
Yes, open it.
As Play-Doh.
Cooper, come on, buddy.
Look. It's elephants.
Okay, yeah, that's yours. It's Ian. You want to open it?
Yeah. Oh.
That was weak.
What is it? Cars.
Yeah.
Turn the light on.
Toys. Whoa!
There you go.
Look, Mama.
What's that? Oh, Cars PJs. And you got Cars underwear.
Gosh, underwear.
Cool.
Mustard.
Let's see. Oh, here you go. This is from Santa.
Just open up.
But you just
Ian, you open it.
here. Look,
Yeah, tear it open.
tear it open.
There you go.
Ooh, big one. Open.
Keep going.
Big push.
Oh.
Ooh, big one.
It's Hot Wheels. Here you cat.
I like it.
You like it? Well, good.
That's for your bathtub.
Ooh.
Ooh, the cars get all wet in the bathtub.
Ooh, big one.
Yeah.
There's some for your sisters too.
Whoa.
Now make sure you don't open up your sisters.
It's got to. Yeah, it's got to say Ian.
See, this is Ian. You can open up that one. Well, this I'll help you with these. Yeah, really open.
Excuse you. Thank you for covering your mouth.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, you don't know what that is yet.
Look, Daddy.
It's
What?
a case.
Ooh, big
Ooh.
one. There's a box. That's here.
Let me see.
Ooh.
No, that's Nora's. Don't. That's Nora's. Nora's got gifts too.
You gotta wait. They're not all Ian.
Yeah, here. Look. You know, they all have to have your name on them. That's from Pam.
Santa's green dimensions.
Yeah.
And then open up.
Well, no, you gotta. Oh,
Wait. Ian, you gotta open that one first. No.
No, I think
This one.
that's- Yeah, that's Emmy's.
Yeah, this is. Look, Ian. That's Ian's.
Ian, open up this one.
That's Ian's.
open.
You can do it.
Here, open up the back. There you go.
See? Oh.
Cars.
Cars.
Wow, Pam got you some Hot Wheels. Cool.
Nice. I like cars.
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it?
Here's some. I'll give you presents that you can open, okay?
Spider-Man toys.
Oh. Cool. You got a Spider-Man toy?
Yes.
Wow.
Cool. Too stuck.
Well, that's probably a way you got to use it. Oh, there you go.
Alright. Here, open up more. More toys. My toy.
I did it.
Let's see.
She's like screen excited.
Yeah, Santa Claus brought you presents. You were a good enough boy today, or for the year. Get. You have your gift. You've been sleeping on it. Oh, you want a bone? Has he been outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Oh,
You got it. There you go.
Mama,
What?
come on. Come on, we can work.
I see. I'm coming.
Wow.
Look,
What is it?
it's a book.
It's a book?
I don't think so.
Look, draw in the tub. Cool.
Those colors?
You can color in the tub.
Look,
Yeah.
crayons.
Crayons, yeah. Here's this one.
What is that? Open it.
There you go.
Look,
What is it?
What is that?
Spider-Man.
More Spider-Man.
Yes. Ooh, big one. Big Spider-Man.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, she wants to be fed. Careful.
Stuck.
Is that one yours to open, buddy?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, this is from Grandma.
Play bitch.
Yeah. What's that get?
oh. You might need help with that bow. Oh, okay. Come on.
Oh. Oh.
There you go. You got several there. They look like the old record sleeves.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Turn it over.
Turn over.
There you go.
Yeah.
Right there.
Gotta look for those edges, buddy.
Oh. Books.
Ooh, what's that?
It's a bulky.
Bugs.
Bug. What? You know what story that is?
Bus life.
Very good.
It's more. I got more ones.
Yeah.
Here.
You open it. You can open it.
Mama did her time.
There you go.
Look.
Look at it. What is it?
It's a turtle.
Turtle?
It's a Star Wars
Let me
toy.
see. Tacky goes to camp. It's a bird. Looks like a penguin. There's more.
I got more.
Cooper wants to go or come back in, I think.
What do you say? Open it.
You can open it.
Here. Right there. Now the cat wants to be fed.
Open it.
Touch it. Go inside. Touch it. Go in.
Keep opening.
See, that's made of the toys.
Yeah. Keep opening up your present.
Jesus.
Ian, keep opening that present.
Come on, Mama.
I see. Keep